Hello traders, we are excited. We have a new calendar year 2026. The team from Bulltador, we wish you a successful and prosperous trading year. Many good and happy trades, a lot of learnings, but most of all, we wish you all and your families a very safe, nice, and very good, successful 2026. Yeah, so we kick off this trading week with a very amazing opportunity as we think for crude oil. Crude oil is already heading lower for consecutive months and weeks. Crude oil had in 2025 last year a very bearish year. And normally right now, as you can see here, even we are on a 4 hours, we're making lower lows consecutive, and this is definitely a sign it's more weakness to expect. And more than this, if right now this barrier here, this price point 56, get a breakdown to the downside, then it's much more selling pressure on its way, and it's already a kind of forming like a double top. And like I'm saying right now, if this level here gets broken, then for sure we can expect like at least that crude oil will drop from 56 to 53 area, because at 53 area we have a weekly demand sitting since quite a long time, and that's for now also our next target around this price range. So this would be a very decent trade, and also is fully aligned with the next low swing point. As you can see here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and the next lower low would be exactly in this weekly demand zone on oil. Yeah, but we have more things to discuss. My number one trade, what we discussed in our traders department for Bulltador, is Euro New Zealand dollar, because on the Euro New Zealand dollar, I can see a lot of beautiful opportunities. Yeah, especially why? Because on the Euro New Zealand dollar, we can see there's on the daily chart we have a huge demand zone, which is fully aligned with the uptrend. We had here an amazing uptrend forming and also going like consecutive higher and higher. A moment, so it's going this. A moment. The uptrend is just continue higher, and right now we have here this beautiful situation that we expecting price comes down, what price already did on Friday, and heading here in this beautiful, we have here a drop base rally in this beautiful demand level, what I marked. And this is exactly what we are waiting for right now. So the price not yet hit fully the zone. The price is very close in front of this demand level. And when price dips in, we expect a strong reaction to the upside, and at least like a profit target. We can target here at least, I would say, that this higher high is getting taken out. So at least right now here my measurement tool showing me 1,800 points. So this is in pips, 180 pips profit, which is more than enough this trade alone for having a decent win. Let's say on the 100k Bulltador account, you make easily two and a half, $3,000 profit with this one trade. If you just trade with a decent lot size, at least I recommend 1.5 to 3 lots to open here long, right? But being a bit patient, patience is key. I expect here this level gonna hit the first 2 trading days of the next week. So maybe not directly tomorrow, but most likely tomorrow, because price already is very close to the zone. So tomorrow or Tuesday, and then we're waiting on the lower time frame as we hear it on a daily. Then just we're waiting for confirmation on a lower time frame, like 4 hour, 1 hour to 50 minutes down, and then just when we have some confirmation, some buying pressure is forming on the 50 minutes, then you can place buy orders. That's so far everything for EURNZD. And again, this trade is on a higher time frame, fully aligned with the trend, as we have like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and the next higher low. We exactly buying this beautiful demand level. The next what we have on our list, and what is very beautiful as well, is right now a crypto trade, is on Solana, because Solana is after the harsh drop what we had end of last year, we had a very, very sharp drop down, is already consolidation or in a consolidation move to the sideways, and already kind of breaking out, the past couple of days, but the confirmation we are waiting for is exactly this blue line here. When, let me go down on a lower time frame, when the price is able to hold above this level, to hold and go then higher, then we can surely buy. Right now, this is too early. There's no confirmation. But again, what is the nice thing on the daily, guys? If you look here on Solana on the daily chart, we see that already we have a strong momentum. We have a very, very strong bullish candle with nearly no wicks. Those candles are my favorite. Then we have a mid-size candle, like a mid-consolidation candle in the middle, like a base. So I anticipate here a rally, base rally. And this rally has to form tomorrow. So Monday, I expect a very, very bullish day and continuation to the upside. So then we're going to have here a target, at least I would say, in this area to taking out this previous highs, this area here. But if this trade then continue to rise, we surely can have a profit target too in and around this area. Let's say price heading higher, then coming also like a retracement, a healthy. But if the price right now breaks this level here on a daily, then for sure at least we can expect a longer pullback or retracement on Solana. Yeah, and this is all good news for our crypto lovers. This is a good trade, I would say, very promising. And don't forget the equity indices. So for the major past 3 years on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, we had just one direction. Direction was only up, but already, as you can see here, we are still on a daily on the US 100, or even if you look right now on the Nasdaq itself, Nasdaq Composite is very, very, kind of in a very high level overextended, and had already like 1, 2, and right now kind of we are in a anticipated third move downwards, and it's looking kind of a triple top. So I would say, guys, this is something for all buyers. Be very, very cautious and careful here, because it's a very, very extended trade. We are very high on all 4 US equity indices, and right now, rather to buy, I would do either nothing. But if you ask me, there's a bigger opportunity what we can do, and this is like break it or make it on the Dow Jones. What I'm saying, as you can see here, here's a beautiful blue trend line. Exactly, we had now 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, and we had here like an inside bar and hammer candle, and this inside bar alone already would mean a strong confirmation to the upside, like buying power. But inside bar in combination with a hammer candle, and on top, a third confirmation for us is that this hammer candle formed on Friday with a daily close on this trend line. So we have 3 high confluences that this trade for sure in the near short term going higher, and then also from here, at least what I expect, that this high is getting taken out, and then maybe, who knows, we get with the January earnings report from the biggest US firms, depending how those reports are going, maybe some weakness. But for the next trading week, what's our topic today, right? Kick off the year with the first week. I definitely also recommend, this year is like a very important key level. It's either going up from here or down, but there's no sideways move anymore. Only from statistical probability, it's at least, I would say, 75-80% that price will go higher because of the previous mentioned points. But again, in rare cases, also if buyers can't step in enough, it can happen as well. If this trend line here gets, or there will be a break on the trend line, with a daily confirmation candle, then for sure we will head down like very fast lower, and then also the market momentum will shift into seller pressure, and we can definitely sell Dow Jones here. But this is heavily depending on the next 1 or 2 trading days. But at least I would say the most important day is tomorrow, because tomorrow, 5th of January, the ISM Manufacturing numbers getting published, and this is the main like trigger for this trade. That this trade will give us like an impact to the upside or to the downside. But after tomorrow, we're gonna know more, and we also know more if we still continue heading higher bullish momentum, or if we get more bearish momentum in the equity indices. So I think we had right now the majority of all our trades discussed for the day. One of the last things I would like to analyze with you is just situation on US dollar, the USD. We are heading for longer already in a sideways range, but the nice thing as well is here, it's looking as well kind of on the Aussie Australian dollar for sure. That Australian dollar can right now, after this little healthy pullback, and right now this is like sister bar, we can directly going higher. So there's high likelihood that also this one will continue. It's kind of a bull flag, what I see here, strong two impulsive candle up move, retracement, and right now heading higher. This is like a move also I see here. This is a play I would say you can definitely do. Just you set your trade. For example, how I would trade this one here is just you enter right now on the daily, put the stop loss. Put the stop loss directly here below the candle wick, and for sure going like for at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. That should be achieved in the next 2 to 3 trading days. Yeah. But that's just one of our ideas we have for you. I hope you all enjoyed the session and you could take some key knowledge and some nice trade ideas to take profits from with the new Bulltador trading week. We see us and hear us next Sunday again. Have a nice week, enjoy trading, and talk to you soon.